And it's a new concept. There are like new shapes and new aesthetic that I would like to put in urban societies. I'm from Peru and I'm born in a small village. So I was growing in the house of my grandparents, and that house was a clay house. Touching these clay walls that gave me a special feeling in my hands. So my idea first was like to make people aware about this era, about the soil, about the wood clay, giving it a new value, a new life using digital and crafts. But there are no like the classical shapes that we used to have or to deal with, like they're not perfect circular. They are based or inspired in different varieties of potatoes, mushroom, food. For me, it was important to make people aware about all this work behind food. And that is important also to revalue the work of the farmers to preserve this biodiversity and educate people a bit about that these shapes existing. I think like the most important thing, whatever you do in life, if that you do that with your heart, keep it.